Another day, another risk for unsettled weather and flooding. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We have a flash flood watch in effect for all of South Jersey through 1 a.m. on Friday. This is now the third day in a row that we have been in a flash flood watch, and we've been pretty lucky here in our corner of the state. Not a lot of rain so far, but the risk is still there. And here's what we need to know. This is the last day of unsettled weather for a while. I thought I'd start out with something positive here. Like we said, flash flood watch is in effect. Severe weather is a concern as well. We'll get to that in a little bit. And then this weekend, windy to wonderful. Temperatures seasonable with a good amount of sunshine. Looking at our severe weather risk, we are in a level 2 of 5 risk for severe weather. And that's pretty much all of our coverage area. The only exception is about Manahawkin on into Long Beach Island, the northern half of LBI. That's in a level 1 of 5 risk. But we'll show you what this means. You've probably seen this a couple of times already. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible. Not a definite, just possible. And we haven't had any severe weather reports here this week, but it's still something in the realm of possibility. And what I want to show you too is just how active it's been, because this really has been past couple of weeks for the ages here in New Jersey. We've had 77 severe thunderstorm warnings year to date, and that blows out the next highest year, 2011, out of the water, 63, and we have had 12 tornado warnings. We've had 3 tornadoes confirmed, but 12 tornado warnings in the area, in the state. And even if you take out the year to date and just look at that as a year as a whole, we're already in second place as records go back to 1989. So a very active couple of months and weeks here in South Jersey and in the Garden State as a whole. But going back to the rainfall, we've been generally on the lighter side here. You see 0.53 inches at Atlantic City International Airport, but some places have had nothing. In fact, you go to downtownship, you have seen nothing. Go over to Stowe Creek, you see nothing. Some parts of LBI, you see nothing. But right along the Turnpike corridor, 2 to 5 inches of rain over the past 24 hours, and that has brought the PATCO to be suspended. And in addition to that, we have seen major river flooding on the Rancocas Creek. Our satellite is kind of explaining the picture for us here. Low pressure system in Pennsylvania. We're splitting the state in two pretty nicely into North and South Jersey with the stationary front. To the south, we've seen some sunshine here, but you go to the northern half of the state, we have seen nothing over in Taylor-Ham land. And we look at Virginia, we see good amount of sunshine here. And what that's going to do is help bubble up and give juice for the thunderstorms. And we've seen a lot of warm weather here already this week. We'll continue that for today. And we see this nice plume of moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Now, it's humid north of the front too. Good amount of moisture, but temperatures are cooler and it's typically more stable. What's going to happen is low pressure system rides along the front, and that's going to give us our risk of showers and storms as we go throughout the day today. Severe weather risk, the timing is from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Damaging winds and flooded roadways, isolated areas of that can be in the realm of possibility. Large hail and tornadoes, a non-zero risk, but pretty low. But I will say, small hail does threaten. It actually looks pretty good for some pea to penny sized hail. More of the non-damaging variety of hail across the area. 2 p.m. future radar, a little more activity than this is probably going to show up. However, the story remains isolated scattered activity. Then we try to get a line of thunderstorms that passes through South Jersey just around the p.m. rush. You'll notice by 8 o'clock, these storms are pretty much offshore, but still can't rule out one through about 11 o'clock or so. And then after that, we're drying out. We go to 11 a.m. on Friday. Good swath of rain is trying to be depicted on this model. This is a North American model. I do think there will be some rain with that back edge of the system. Most of it should stay north of our area, especially if you're south of the Atlantic City Expressway. I would bank on a dry day. I want to break down some of our parameters. This is spin in the atmosphere. Where you see the blues and yellows, concern for tornadoes. Notice South Jersey is in grays. That's a really low amount of spin. Still enough to give us a little concern for tornadoes, but nothing threatening, or at least extremely threatening for us. We look at moisture. Anytime you get above 1.75 inches of precipitable water, which is you take a column of air, you wring it out and measure up the water. That's what this is showing. You get lots of lightning and flooding potential. For today, though, as we've had this morning, it's been dry. It'll be dry for the next couple hours in the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-80s on the mainland, sticky mid-80s at that. It's 80 or near 80 at the shore. Periods of sunshine. Even after 3 o'clock, there'll be some periods of sunshine. Water temperatures about average here, on the upper end of average. Burn time 20 minutes when you're in the sun. Graduation forecast. We have 2 outdoor graduations, one in Millville, giving it a yellow light. like we have over the past couple of days, you can roll the dice and be okay. And we've actually been okay in all of South Jersey's graduations that have been outdoors, but there still is about 30% risk for a shower or a storm. It's going to be the same story at mainland at 6:30 p.m. If you want to take the risk and you think we're okay, you can do so. Again, it's less than 50-50 shot of seeing rain, but enough to cause a little bit of concern. We go into tonight, showers and storms through 11 o'clock. Then we're drier. I don't think we're necessarily clearer, but we're drier and we'll have some periods of fog. On a sticky night, temperatures will be in the upper 60s here. It'll start to dry out later in night. Then for Friday, remember those rain showers I was showing you earlier? Still possible during the morning. We have the Assault on Patcon Creek Crabbing Tournament Friday. Don't want to rain for that. I think we're going to be okay in Summers Point. Temperatures then in the afternoon rising to seasonable levels. It's going to be a very comfortable afternoon, a good amount of sunshine. Winds just stiff from the northerly direction. Mainland 7-day forecast. We have our summer solstice on Friday, and then longest day of the year is on Friday too. And then we start getting a little shorter with our days, but a good amount of sunshine will compensate for that, I'm sure. Plenty of sunshine. In fact, wall-to-wall sunshine for Saturday and Sunday. Shores looking very good as well. Then we turn more humid as we go into Monday and Tuesday with shower and storm risks. We'll be on the road. Our On the Road video series is coming to Greenwich on Friday. June Booms, all about thunderstorm safety. We're talking about the tornado warned storm on May 28th. We'll be speaking with one local resident who took some video and was there when the tornado warned storm was happening, and that will be all at 3 p.m. And for the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or go to our website, thepressafac.com/weather.